Dear students, there is a picture in front of you. You must have identified this great personality. Yes, you are right. He is no other than APJ Abdul Kalam, who occupied the post of President of India. APJ Abdul Kalam is popularly known as the Missile Man, and today we shall study about him, the Missile Man. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931. The place was Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. As you know, APJ Abdul Kalam is the short form. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Jainulabdin was his father. His father was a boatman. He was also an imam in a local mosque. He learned many things from his father, like honesty, self-discipline, etc. His mother's name was Asyamma. She was a housewife. He learned some more qualities from his mother, and those qualities were kindness and faith in goodness. There were 5 brothers and sisters in his family. He was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister. He liked the story of Ramayana and also the life history of Prophet. When it was his bad time, that time he listened the story of Ramayana and the story of Prophet. When he was at his early age, that very time he sold newspapers. His family income was not more, and to add his family income, he sold newspapers. When Abdul Kalam was in 5th class, that time he had a friend. He had friendship with a Hindu boy. His friend used to wear sacred thread, and Abdul Kalam used to wear a cap. Cap was the symbol of Muslim, and sacred thread was the symbol of Hindu. Both friends sat in front row. A new teacher came in their class. He saw both friends, a Hindu and a Muslim, sitting together. He could not digest it. He told Kalam to go to the back bench. Both friends became sad. When they finished their class, they went to their house and informed their parents about it. When their parents heard it, they went to meet the teacher next day and warned the teacher not to spread such feeling in children. Since childhood, Kalam had love and respect for all religions. As he was listening the story of the Ramayana and the story of Prophet, Kalam was very simple person. You can say he was a man of simple living and high thinking. He had no television. In his whole life, he never bought a television. His best friends were books. It means his best company were books. He wrote poems in Tamil. He liked to play Veena. Although he was a Muslim, yet he was a vegetarian. He did not like to eat non-vegetarian food. His routine was to get up early but sleep at night very late because he wanted to work more and more for the country. It was his aim in life to be a fighter pilot. But this dream was not fulfilled. When he applied for Indian Air Force, that time there were only 8 seats. And by chance, Abdul Kalam got 9th position and he could not join Indian Air Force. When he completed his study, he started his career as a scientist. It was 1960 when he started his career as a scientist. He wanted to do a lot of work for India. He designed a small helicopter. It was used for Indian Army. Having seen the talent of APJ Abdul Kalam, he was given the responsibility of developing missiles. He developed 2 missiles, Agni missile and Prithvi missile. He became very successful in his field. And due to developing Agni and Prithvi missile, he became the missile man of India. And he is popularly known as the missile man of India. It was the time of nuclear era and India had to test nuclear weapon. Preparation of Pokhran 2 was going on and the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests were carried in 1998. He was whole and soul of that very test. India became a nuclear power. On the map of the world. The world understood the power of India because that was the demand of time to be the nuclear power, and it became successful with the help of APJ Abdul Kalam. He got many prizes and in 1997 he got the highest Indian or India's civilian honor that is called Bharat Ratna. So in 1997 he got the Bharat Ratna. When he retired from his service, he was elected the President of India in 2002. He was the 11th President of India. First time India had got any scientist as a president. He was also the first bachelor to go to Rashtrapati Bhavan. As a president, people love him much, and due to love of people, he is called the People's President. We call him People's President due to affection. He served for 5 years, and after that he returned to civilian life. He wrote a lot of books. Once again he became visiting professors. He went many institutions, many universities. He liked young people or young students. He had a hope with high school students. He used to address high school students more. It was his dream to share his experience with them because they are the future of the country. They are the hope of the country. He wanted that they should work for the country. His dream was to make India a developed nation by year 2020. And for that, he drew an action plan. How India can be a superpower by the year 2020. It was 27th July 2015. Dr. Kalam had gone to Shillong. The program was to deliver a lecture. He started delivering his lecture, but within 5 minutes he collapsed. He was taken to the nearest hospital. Doctor confirmed that now he is no more. Dr. Kalam has breathed his last. That was the end of an era. He departed from here, but he left his footprint on the sand of time. And India can be a developed country if we all Indians follow his footprints. Really, APJ Abdul Kalam is a great personality of our country, and this is the cause he got Bharat Ratna and became the President of India and popularly known as the Missile Man. Thank you.